So this oil pan came from one of my parts trucks, and it was dented pretty darn good. I did try hammering it out, but it just was a waste of time. I mean, to me it's more fun welding stuff in anyways. So anyways, after a little bit of work with the hammer and some pieces of pipe, pretty happy with how this looks. So we're going to get her welded in, and hopefully it'll look like nobody ever touched it. So here it is, all finished. It has been sandblasted and painted since, and it is now installed in one of my Land Cruisers, and there are no leaks. To ensure that you don't have leaks, it's best to shine a light through your welds to see if you have any pinholes. And what I also did with this one is I put some water inside the oil pan to make sure that there was no leaks. So hopefully you found this short video useful in some way. Please like it if you did, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.